Well, good morning, everybody. It is the 8th of April, 2015. My name is Thomas Ryan, and this is another one of our trading videos in our series of how we do our trades. We publish a daily advisory newsletter, comes into your inbox every day. We have two trading systems that we use, a daily time frame system and a weekly time frame system. And if you'd like to join us for a free trial, please stop by ttryanco.com. Subscriptions are $50 a month, $400 a year. We don't take any credit cards for the free trial. Just go ahead, put in your name and your email address, and we'll get you started. You can see how we do things. I'm going to show you today one of our current trades, which is UNP, Union Pacific. The stock is currently very much out of favor. If you follow the financial press at all, you know that railcar loadings for oil are down significantly with the current oil slump. And so we've had a sell-off in UNP. I guess a lot of the rails have sold off, transportations have sold off, so the stock is out of favor. We're going to go ahead and say that this stock is not, in fact, damaged goods. The stock actually has, as we do in our weekly trading system, has a very solid uptrend. The railroads have been doing great. And we have a matching MACD. This is the monthly time frame, so we see a nice strong uptrend on a monthly time frame and many years old, but there appears to be no break in this. We do see this sell-off right here with a drop in momentum, but the MACD is still very, very solid. And in fact, the stock is significantly oversold, as is indicated by the stochastic 5-period weekly, and we can see it right down here. It's gotten down to a point where it's too far oversold. And so what do we see when we get down to this point, and how do we time this? Well, typically what we want to do is we want to take the stock over a prior week high, use that as an indicator that, in fact, the stock has new life. In this particular case, I took it before that because it's starting to make a move. So again, the foundation of our trade is a long-term uptrend on the monthly chart with a matching MACD. It's in an oversold condition weekly by a low stochastic down here. We're on the verge of seeing a MACD histogram bar turn up. That's another signal. And we see a little bit of a divergence going on the daily chart, which gives us an indicator, and it's seriously oversold daily as well. So we have a potential indicator here that it's about ready to turn. So we took this right here on this new high, and the stock's doing fine. I think you'll find that when you do this, you will be profitable almost instantly. The other thing that I like about this right here is that there's a little bit of a double bottom going on. You see this was a testing of a new move up right here, which failed, came back down and put in a double bottom right there. Lots of things you can point to and say that this stock is damaged goods and we don't want to touch it. The reality is, I think typically when you trade this way, you're going to find that you're going to be able to get into a stock, and while it may not turn out to be a major winner, your numbers of losers are going to be very small. You'll have ample opportunity to get in, be profitable, and in the event that the stock does not perform the way you want it to, you'll be able to get out either with a small profit or break even. As opposed to lots of other trading systems, where you're trading gaps or you're trading MACD divergences at tops, things like that. Timing is very, very difficult on a lot of those things, and the fail rate is much higher. You find when you do a trend trading or trend following swing trades like this, you get a very nice win rate, very high win rate. Your loser, nothing's perfect. We're currently doing about a 70 to 80% win rate on these trades. So it's nice to have a good solid win rate, and the wins are generally between 1R and 2R. You don't see a lot of 3R wins, at least not lately. The market's a little bit range bound, so that's a problem. But getting 3Rs out of this kind of trading system is sometimes challenging. But the win rate is very high, and you can produce a very nice return doing this. So this is what we do. Love to have you join us if you like. Thomas T. Ryan and Company, ttryanco.com. Give us a shout, or send me an email, ted@ttryanco.com, if you want to talk about this, or simply go to our site and sign up for a free trial and check us out. Thanks.